I'm Anthony Carrino. I've built and renovated hundreds of homes over the last decade. My next project, though, is something very personal. I'm taking an old firehouse in Jersey City, and I'm converting it into a home. My home. This was once my office. Actually, it was the conference room. So how am I transforming the conference room of my once office into my kitchen and my dining room? The floor plan is as follows. Stairwell, dining area, and then over here is the kitchen. We are gonna be removing the original cast staircase, and the new staircase is gonna come up parallel to the wall. This is gonna be a 13-foot long island and an 18-foot run of cabinets. This window, we're gonna actually be framing a wall in front of. This fire pole is gonna get removed. We've got an actual functioning fire pole that's gonna be going in my office. The other thing that I'm really stoked for is that the outdoor space is on the same floor as the living space. It's gonna make entertaining absolutely incredible, so really excited.
This is gonna be one hell of a kitchen.
We just have to design the cabinets and the layout for those cabinets, and for that, I'm going to Italy. I have told JC 100 different ways that this is a business trip, but I bought a ring, and I am planning on proposing to her. I'm coming, just don't turn around until you get up there. Oddly enough, I really wasn't nervous. Not until I reached my hand into my backpack and put my hand around the ring box.
I love you very much, and I want you to marry me.
She said yes. So now we're building our house together for us forever. Demo is done, framing is complete, rough electrical, rough plumbing are both in, insulation is done. We are sheetrock, tape, spackled. Now it's time to install some cabinets. Yes. This is like Christmas on steroids. So it's important to note, as a homeowner, you're not expected to install your cabinets yourself. I'm a super hands-on guy. But what is important, and the takeaway here, is to be there on day one when they're doing the preliminary layout. Make sure that you are happy with the spacing that you have. So cabinets are 27 inches deep, range is 27 and a half deep. How many people are in there cooking? Do you cook as a team? These are the things to be thinking about, and then to be verifying with a tape measure the day that you're laying it all out. Measure twice, cut once. It's like measure 6 times and then install it. I took my measurements. I know they're supposed to fit, but that does not take away any of the anxiety of making sure that all of these things are gonna make it up that staircase. Woo! All right, lighting is absolutely key. When you're talking about really finishing a space, really getting it designed and creating a mood within your home, lighting evokes all that emotion. I am very excited to hang these. Holy, oh, this is insane. This is special. Oh, damn. That is super nice. So after 12 months of planning, 6 months of execution, the kitchen and dining room are done. 36-inch custom panel refrigerator. The island, we went with a textured lacquer cabinet. This is not something I ever intended to have in my kitchen, but this is a sliding countertop that transforms into a breakfast bar. It really all just came together perfectly, and I couldn't be happier.